Thokozani bogogo, thokozani bomkhulu, mkhulu Mahlasela okhulumayo. Pretoria Soshanguve. Labo kona bomkhulu mphethe magic bottle. I refer to it as a soft life bottle bokona bomkhulu. Lento labo gogo mawuyisebenzisa yenza ukuthi impilo yakho iflow ebokona bomkhulu. Izinto zakho zikuhambela kahle zonke. Whatever le uyithintayo iyenzakala bokona bomkhulu. Lento labo gogo ihlanganiswa ngento eziningi. Sandawana ikhona phakathi. Umuthi obizwa umhlume kanhlwayile mawuyazi khona phakathi. Futha wenkosazana khona phakathi. Umamtsotsi khona phakathi bokona bomkhulu. Nenye imithi enzima nomdlebe nawo bokona bomkhulu ihlanganiswe phakathi kwaleli bottle bokona bomkhulu yahlanganiswa ngamafutha. Iyasebenza ngamampela bokona bomkhulu mawumuntu afuna imali. Lento le yakusiza iattract imali kakhulu bogogo yenza ukuthi uthandeke ebantwini wanesithunzi. I-oil bogogo uyayigcobisa emzimbeni ungayihlanganisa ne-lotion yakho bokona bomkhulu or wayithela kancane emanzini mawugeza wageza ngayo. Lento le yakwazi ukukusebenzela bokona bomkhulu. You carry it everywhere you go. Ayinawo ama disadvantages bokona bomkhulu. Mayiphela you can come and buy another one or ungacubeka ngayo bokona bomkhulu on whatever that you want to do. In terms of gambling, it can also bring back your lost lover. It can also fix your relationship. You can use it as well as isibambelelo. Mawuzo hamba olala nomuntu wakho yayithatha uyigcobisa ngaphansi bese uhamba olala nomuntu wakho angeke akuchithela angeke ayenze into ezisnacks. Kumele uhambe uyikhulumise leli bottle le ulitshele igama lakho nesibongo ulitshele umsebenzi wayo ukuthi usebenza ukuyenzani bokona bomkhulu. Uyayicobisa bokona bomkhulu lento le yakwazi ukukusebenzela the way ufuna ngakhona mawuyogembula mawufuna attract imali. Lento le is a money magnet bogogo. Angeke uhambe ube broke. That is why siyibiza i-soft life bottle bogogo. Angeke uhambe ube broke mawuphethe leli bottle le yakwazi ukukusiza entweni eziningi. Gambling mawuhamba uye interview mawufuna ama promotion emsebenzini mawufuna uthandwa abantu mawufuna uba nesithunzi abantu bangadlaleli kuwe nje. Lento le iyo ungayisebenzisa bokona bomkhulu, but specifically this thing is for money. I-attracta imali kakhulu. I-attract imali angeke uhlale ubroke bokona bomkhulu regardless ukuthi business noma uyinyanga lento le yakwazi ukuyisebenzisa ukuthi udonze ngayo. I'll make a video on that showing you ukuthi ungayisebenzisa kanjani as inyanga lento le or ungayisebenzisa kanjani mawufuna ubuyisa umuntu wakho ngalento le bokho. But specifically uyachubisa emzimbeni i-attract imali noma uyegembula noma yenza into esiningi bokho uyakwazi ukuyisebenzisa as amasilamosi as well if you know what is amasilamosi is bokho. Sorry for that. Lento le yakwazi ukuyisebenzisa is a money magnet idonsa imali i-attract imali kakhulu yenza ukuthi ube nenhlanhla uyathandeka abantwini bogogo. This is a soft life bottle le sinawo bokona bomkhulu sinazo esiningi bogogo sinazo esiningi. This one the difference is only the size. It's just the same thing bogogo. The difference is the size. This one ihamba ngo 1500 and this one is only 750 bogogo this one. So le bokona bomkhulu yakwazi ukukusiza if you have those kind of problems. Lento le mawuyifuna siyakwazi ukucourier via PEP or you can come as Godwin Sami Pretoria Soshanguve uzoyithenga bokona bomkhulu. Thokozani.